Hi everyone, this is Lily Sofiani, and this is your 4-minute guided meditation for positive transformation. Before we begin, make sure that your facial muscles are relaxed and your jaw is relaxed. So we'll start with a deep breath in through the nose and hold in the lungs for a count of 4 seconds. And slow release out the mouth with a count of 8. Imagining that all the stress and tension you're holding in your lungs and your body is being released with this exhale. One more time, inhale, hold, exhale. And let's begin. I allow myself to slow down and rest deeply. I treat my body with love and respect. I'm capable of healing my own body. Each and every day, I feel better and I feel healthier. I feel worthy of love and abundance. I always speak my mind with total confidence. When I speak my truth, I inspire others and fill the room with positive energy. I value my own beliefs and opinions. I feel blessed and abundant. I attract wealth and money easily and effortlessly. My relationship with money is improving day by day. I trust the timing of my life. I am learning and growing each and every day. I'm ready to step into my power with confidence and grace. Each step I take is in the direction of my truth, and I am now in alignment with my soul's purpose.